Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple and easy Luffa soup with chicken. I have 200 grams of minced chicken. The minced chicken is homemade and I use chicken breast meat with skin on for extra flavor. The skinless chicken works as well. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried onion, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cilantro leaf, 2 cilantro roots, 3 cloves of garlic. Before we could marinate the chicken, I need to pound the cilantro roots and the garlic first. Put in the cilantro and the garlic. Okay, the cilantro and garlic is very fine. I'm going to put the chicken in the mixing bowl. Cilantro and garlic paste. Pepper, I'm going to use half of it. And salt. So I will marinate it with hand. When chicken marinated, it becomes like a paste. So I'm going to set aside. Put water in the pot. Switch on the heat. Add in the balance of the pepper, sesame seed oil, oyster sauce, give it a stir for the oyster sauce to dissolve. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. When the water comes to the rolling boil, use a spoon to form a minced chicken into a ball like that and drop it in the soup. For the minced chicken, it doesn't have to be a very perfect size. You can just do it according to your comfortable. Once done with the minced chicken ball, continue to cook for 1 minute. Cover the lid. After 1 minute, put in the Luffa god. Give it a stir. And continue to cook for 1 more minute. For the Luffa god does not need to be fully cooked, as it will continue to cook with the residual heat. Now Luffa god have been cooked for 1 minute and I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, very delicious. Switch off the heat. At this stage you want to add more seasoning, you can do so, but for this soup it's perfect and very delicious. So it is ready. Very simple and easy Luffa soup with chicken. Cilantro leaf, crispy fried onions, simple and easy Luffa soup with chicken. This kind of soup best served immediately once it's cooked. So let's try. A bit of Luffa, a bit of chicken with the soup. Wow! The chicken meatball is very savory with the hint of cilantro and pepper. The Luffa is cooked perfectly. It's not overcooked or undercooked. It is very soft and sweet. The soup is very sweet with the natural fragrance of the luffa, and when it's seasoned with oyster sauce, it makes the soup very tasty. This simple and easy luffa soup with chicken is not only delicious, but simple and very fast to make for your lunch or your dinner. Lovely. Please like, share and subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. Until the next recipe, bye!